Hello, I am Oluwaseyi Bayode, and this is CertiProof, a platform that uses Geeq Blockchain to register and verify academic certificates. The challenge we are solving is simple, and that is authenticity. In today's world, fake certificates are everywhere, and most verification methods are either expensive, slow, or insecure. So the question now is, why Geeq? Why are we using Geeq? CertiProof uses Geeq Blockchain to make certificates verifiable, tamper-proof, and publicly auditable. We choose Geeq because it supports data attestation without smart contract. And secondly, it's light, secure, and lets us build using tools we already know, like TypeScript, Express, and Next.js. This application is actually built using Next.js. Most Web3 apps feel complex. CertiProof is different. It looks and feels like a regular Web2 app. All the blockchain logic happens behind the scene. So without wasting much of our time, I would like you to give you a live demo of how this web application works. So we'll be going to issue certificates link from here. And from this place, we have this simple form. And here, we fill in the student name. I'll be using the suggestions I have from here. Institution, I'll choose that. Course, let's leave the grade at 2.7. Select a date. An extra note. Testing attestation. So the next thing is to click on attest to blockchain. So if this is successful, we are going to get a ref hash which uniquely identifies the certificate from the Geeq blockchain. So we wait for that. So with this ref hash, you can use it to verify the data we sent to the blockchain. And we can see here our attestation is successful. And let's copy the ref hash that we receive from the Geeq blockchain. Copy. So up next, let's go to the verify certificate, which is our verification flow. Here we input the ref hash that we got from the backend here. I'll click on verify certificate. From here, we'll be directed to the Geeq Explorer. You can see redirecting to Geeq Explorer, where we can view the full record. Okay, this is the ref hash from the previous page, and down here we have the data that we entered on the attestation page, which shows that this data is transparent and immutable and is publicly available for verification. Okay, now let's go back to our application again. Back to CertiProof. Good. So up next, what are the technical highlights that we have here? What are the things working on behind the scene? So in CertiProof, our certificate data is hashed using Blake 3. And we use the Geeq SDK to build this application, abstracting the complex structure of a typical blockchain technology. All the complexity is hidden from the user. We use Next.js to build both our Frontend and Backend. And CertiProof makes blockchain accessible without needing to understand it. Therefore, in conclusion, CertiProof brings trust to academic records using blockchain, but it does it in a simple and familiar way. With Geeq under the hood, CertiProof is fast, secure, and transparent, and shows how blockchain can serve real people, not just techies. And thank you for watching.